simple. The first step is all about you have to restart your device and you have to see. So in order to restart, you just have to navigate over here and you have to click over here, and which is quite usual process. You have to click on restart so that the PC will be getting restart, and you have to check whether you're able to fix the issue up or not. Even after trying this, if it's not working, then we just have to talk about the next solution. So next solution is all about you have to go over here on the sound and you just have to navigate over here and you have to go over here in the sound system. So what you have to do is, it is all about you have to check the volume mixer menu. To do this, you just have to go over here, and over here in this volume we have to check whether all these things are correct. As you can see, the volume is not being set into 0, so you'll be definitely having the issue. As well as right now, as you can see, the volume is, even the input has been set into 96, so you have to check whether this is being made into 0 or not. So most probably you'll be having the issue, so you have to check in this way also. After checking out this, and even this issue is still persisting, the next is all about you have to update your sound drivers. To do this, you just have to follow the instruction. You have to go over here, right click and go to task device manager. From here you just have to navigate to over here, and you have to navigate over here, sound and video game controllers. You have to expand this, and as you can see, we are having NVIDIA high definition audio as well as Realtek R audio. So you just have to update both, and you have to check whether it's up to date or not. And even if it is up to date, or if you're having any kind of manually update, just update the drivers, and most probably after this the issue has to be fixed. As you can see, the Windows has successfully updated the driver. Now it's all good to go. So now they are just asking to restart, so I just cancelled that. So most probably you will be having a question like they wanted to restart, so just go for restart, and you have to check whether you are able to fix the issue up or not. And even if the issue is still persisting, the last and the least one is you have to update your Windows. That is what you have to do. So to do this, you just have to follow the instruction. Just go over here, or you have to navigate to settings. From here in the setting, just click on Windows Update. From here you just have to check whether you're having any kind of updates or not. So just check for updates, and you have to make sure, and these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you're having no audio, sound is cutting out issue on. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon.